Imagine walking through a virtual property without leaving your home. The metaverse is set to revolutionize the real estate industry by offering immersive experiences that traditional listings simply can't match. Buyers can explore every corner of a home, visualize renovations, and even stage furniture, all in real time. Real estate agents will leverage virtual reality to showcase properties to clients worldwide, breaking geographical barriers. Imagine hosting open houses where potential buyers can interact with the space, ask questions, and even meet the seller, all from their devices. Moreover, blockchain technology will streamline transactions, ensuring transparency and security. Digital ownership will redefine property rights, making it easier to buy, sell, or lease properties. The metaverse isn't just a trend, it's a game changer that will reshape how we buy, sell, and experience real estate. The future is here, and it's virtual. Looking for details? Check the link in bio.